On behalf of the Victim and Witness Assistance Board, I am proud to present the Innovation Award to Elizabeth Liz Speakman. The Innovation Award recognizes an individual survivor, service provider, agency, or organization who has developed an innovative program or policy that helps crime victims. Liz is currently the coordinator of the Domestic and Gender-Based Violence Prevention Initiative for the City of Cambridge, where she works with local community-based organizations and city departments to ensure comprehensive prevention and intervention efforts around gender-based violence. Previously, Liz served as director of Haven at Mass General Hospital and was instrumental in bringing a trauma-informed initiative to MGH and the Mass General Brigham healthcare system. Liz has been a primary force in the development and implementation of the innovative and unique trauma-informed law enforcement training. Her work with the Cambridge Public Health Department and Cambridge Police Department has transformed how the police department and other city agencies handle investigations and support survivors of abuse. Liz is a leader in the field of domestic and gender-based violence prevention. She has devoted 20 years to the work of ending gender-based violence and has made a tremendous impact in that time. Congratulations, Liz.
Thank you to Lavinia for that warm welcome, and thank you to the Victim and Witness Assistance Board. I want to thank especially Representative Marjorie Decker. Without her persistence and vision, the Domestic Violence Initiative in Cambridge never would have existed. I also want to provide a really big thank you to the city leadership in Cambridge, including City Manager Louis DiPasquale and Deputy City Manager Lisa Peterson. Their steadfast support of domestic violence survivors over decades has made Cambridge a model for domestic violence prevention and intervention. And without our community partners, this initiative also wouldn't exist. So big thank you to Representative Decker, all the city departments and community partners who had their faith and trust in me to take this idea that they had of a collaborative community response and make it into a reality. We are in our 6th year now as the Cambridge Domestic and Gender-Based Violence Prevention Initiative, and I really feel like we're just getting started. We're working a lot on how can we incorporate racial justice ideals and actions into our work. And we have a lot of thoughtful collaborations with the police department on how we can better provide pathways of support and justice for all survivors of domestic violence and sexual assault. As I say all the time, I wouldn't be able to do any of the things that I do without the partnerships and collaborations in Cambridge. So I thank you all very much for that.